comments. Create the script. To write a comment in Tickle, you use the hash sign, for example. So this is a comment. You may write some code here, and then you want to write another comment. So if you then want to have a comment on the same line as the code, you will use a semicolon, saying this basically the end of the command. So for example, like this. So now I want to write a comment here. We can do like this. We can do even another comment. So the semicolon is actually used to say that it's the end of the command, and then your comment is coming after that. But you can also use a semicolon, like if you want to do actually two commands on the same line, but still, I mean, they will be processed as two individual commands. So put hello first, and then puts world. So this will hopefully put first hello on one line and then world on the second line. So let's save the script and we run this Tickle shell.